ಶ್ರೀಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಅಗ್ರೇ ಕೃತ್ವಾ ಕಮಪಿ ಚರಣಂ ಜಾನುನೈಕೇನ ತಿಷ್ಠನ್ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ ಪಾರ್ಥಂ ಪ್ರಣಯರಸಜುಷಾ ಚಕ್ಷುಷಾ ವೇಕ್ಷ್ಯಮಾಣಃ ಸವ್ಯೇ ತೋತ್ರಂ ಕರಸರಸಿಜೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಂ ಆಬಿಭ್ರಾಣೋ ರಥಮಧಿವಸನ್ ಪಾತು ನಃ ಸೂತವೇಷಃ. ಓಂ ಪ್ರಪನ್ನಪಾರಿಜಾತಾಯ ತೋತ್ರವೇತ್ರೈಕಪಾಣಯೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಗೀತಾಮೃತದುಹೇ ನಮಃ. ಯೇ ತ್ವೇತದಭ್ಯಸೂಯಂತಃ ನಾನುತಿಷ್ಠಂತಿ ಮೇ ಮತಂ ಸರ್ವಜ್ಞಾನವಿಮೂಢಾಂಸ್ತಾನ್ ವಿದ್ಧಿ ನಷ್ಟಾನ ಚೇತಸಃ. Bhagavan Shri Krishna said in the previous verse that one who follows his teaching with Shraddha and without finding fault will get liberation from actions and the results. He will not be affected by the pleasures and pains of life. In this verse, Bhagavan is giving the consequences of not following his teachings. Yetu abhyasuyantaha, those who find fault in my words, me matam na anutishtanti, and do not follow my teaching, tan sarvajnana vimudhan viddhi, they are unfit to receive any kind of knowledge. The word sarvajnana refers to the knowledge regarding purpose of life and the means to fulfill it. How to earn money, how to enjoy sense pleasures, how to follow dharma, how to remain calm and peaceful under all situations, etc. Those deluded ones are unaware of all these forms of knowledge which are essential for life. Bhagavan's teachings are crystal clear with respect to the goals of our life. Some people negate the words of the scriptures and claim that they can analyze on their own. One who thinks in this manner will not have clarity and will be full of confusion. Such a person may not go in the right path. If one has to choose his own path, one has to face so many problems in the process. Many think that the good old paths shown by scriptures are useless and try to explore their own path. I don't want to comment much on this, but for majority of the people, it is easier to follow a well-defined path. There is nothing wrong in creating one's own path, but we have to keep in mind that the problems of human society are being analyzed and solutions are prescribed from the time immemorial. The wisdom of ages is time-tested. Many ideas have been put into practice after much research. If we understand all these and follow, our life will be purposeful. Thus Bhagavan says that if one does not follow his words, such a person will not have clear knowledge about life. Without right knowledge, actions cannot be proper. Thus, one will waste his rare human birth. Viddhi nashtan achetasaha. Those thoughtless persons spoil their intelligence given by Bhagavan. When one realizes his mistake, it may be too late. Then, very little chances of acquiring knowledge and realization of the supreme truth will be left. Chances of knowing and following the right path will become lesser as one grows older. Bhagavan puts this verse in a negative manner in order to make us realize the importance of scriptural teaching. Just as our parents tell us what is right and what is wrong, Bhagavan is also making us realize the value of teaching through Gita Mata. Ye tvetadabhyasuyantaha nanutishtanti me matam sarvajnana vimudhamstan viddhi nashtana chetasaha. My prayerful blessings to all of you. Hari Om.